It's morning. Oh, I didn't brush my teeth yet. I'm about to eat breakfast. It's like just before 8, I think. I don't know. I'm gonna go to Animal Kingdom today. There's some giraffes out here. That's all I see so far. Oh, it's some birdies, some cranes. See if I can show them to you. And Herman, I think, went away while he popped. So, deer's one, and then 2 back there. And they got some cranes over here. It's pretty sunny. Oh, and there's a truck putting out some food, I think, for them. Apparently they do some sort of magic with the lighting, so like it looks like a full moon every night. But we didn't see any animals out last night. So I'm just gonna sit out here and eat some breakfast. My tea is steeping and enjoy myself. Unless I get too hot. Oh, I got a good seat because then if I sit right here, this pole blocks the sun. The giraffes have moved on down the savannah, but the birds grow ever closer. Aww. It's also definitely getting a little hotter. Oh, with the zebra? Oh yeah, he's got a little limp.
Right hind.
Maybe he's one of the ones that got into it yesterday and he got hurt.
Ramming around.
I mean, I'm sure he's fine. Otherwise, they wouldn't let him out.
Well, they may not know it.
Yeah, that's true.
Pork chop, brush, dip sauce.
Are you king of the hill? Hi.
Oh, that sword just standing there. It's stabbing at it. Here comes one.
Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Be careful, one of you is hurt. Was one of them the hurt one?
Yeah, the one in the front. You can see it.
Y'all are so mean. And this guy over here was just walking like, what are these fools doing? I bet you that he was the one.
I'll bet she got hurt yesterday when he was running around. Or over here today.
I think you should all just mind your own business. Stop walking towards each other.
There's no dryer sheets, right?
No, I just put my stuff. Oh, there.
Yeah, see, that one's hurt.
Yeah, and this one keeps just chasing after it. Like he was walking away and then he came all the way over here and chased after him. These antelope or whatever are just minding their own business. Well, the one's kind of watching. Like drama. I live for the drama. There's an animatronic duck. Oh my gosh, hi!
Oh my gosh.
There's a duck.
Animatronic, huh?
Oh,
How'd they get that tail to go
it's
so
a well-known
smoothly?
fact that all the ducks in Disney are animatronic. Just the ducks. It'd be silly to be anything else.
I know, right?
We could also walk through the Tree of Life like we did that one time. That was fun.
I didn't stuff to be a bug in June.
And all the different animals. We did when that was a boat ride. We did them.
I don't remember that.
It was during the soft opening, so I'm not surprised. It was 24 years ago.
Yeah, we were here in 1998. We have that on video, so we have stuff on video somewhere.
Somewhere.
No, because it was on like a camcorder. It was like those like little mini tapes that you put in a tape. We should find it and like convert it and get it uploaded. It's the tree of life. Don't you think? Like this is very like relaxed music. I like it. I like this Animal Kingdom vibe it's got going on.
I like all the parts about it. I really like this.
Tree of Life Awakenings is supposed to come back.
Working away now?
I saw Tree of Life Awakenings is supposed to come back on the 1st.
Oh.
Denise?
This looks hard. That's a lot of browns. Doesn't this look hard? Like it's like a sepia brown.
It's almost monotone. That would be crazy. That would drive me nuts.
All shades.
I feel like that one would be really hard too. Just because like there's so many. Well, maybe it would be easy. I feel like sometimes tiny details in a big puzzle make it easier.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, we did one that was a Mickey and Minnie, and it was kind of like that, and it was horrible.
Did you see that one?
I have that.
Oh, the stretching of that's cool.
We have something like this with multiple puzzles
Yeah.
anyway.
Oh, look who's done it.
I have a Thomas Kincaid one with multiple.
Look at the, do you see the cats?
Yeah, that one looks hard too.
I like Sorcerer Mickey too.
Still a lot.
This is Viva Gaia Radio.
Flying Simba Kite. R.I.P. Kite Tails, R.I.P. We could just go sit over there for a little while. I don't know how frequently they do it. Simba, go down. Simba's going down. Oh, that's gotta be hard tonight or today. Saw the Donald Zipper is here early. I heard the Donald Zipper is here early. It's supposed to be here in October, but people said they saw it at Hollywood Studios and at Epcot.
The Donald Zipper?
Yeah, they have he's like the candy corn Donald.
Types of sea stars in the ocean? Sea stars are famous for their many arms, and most can even grow a new arm if they lose one.
Where would it go?
ocean exhibit. But before we do, a few reminders for the safety of you and those around you, as well as our fish friends. We ask that you please silence and turn off all lights on your mobile and digital devices. Once the presentation begins, the aquarium will be filled with sea creatures in the aisles around you. If for any reason you must leave during the experience, please ask one of our ushers for assistance. Thank you.
And now, marine life enthusiasts, come with us as we explore the mysterious world of the open ocean. The Marine Life Institute houses many aquatic species, including fish from the wild who need our help, like the group we found in the bay, floating in plastic bags. For these, we remember the 3 R's: rescue, rehabilitate, and
Release! Today's the day! Oh, and look how many visitors came to see us all!
Yeah! Hi, little fella!
You know, I bet they're wondering how we even ended up here. Well, why don't we tell them?
Oh, let me! I tell it best.
Well, I don't think we can.
Yeah, we're not gonna
I mean,
Listen
we
up.
can.
These travelers have come a long way, and they deserve a good story. So we're going to do this the way we do everything. Together. Now, it all started with...
When Marlin met a blue cat named Dory. No, it's when they found that bag.
No, when they escaped those sharks. They weren't scary. Oh, no!
No. It all started with a little clownfish named Nemo.
Dad, it's time for school.
All right, we're excited. It's your first day of school, Nemo. We are ready to learn, to get some knowledge.
Come on.
Okay.
Hey, Dad, wouldn't it be cool if I maybe met a shark who runs around?
No.
Or an angelfish. Is it true that they have?
I don't think so.
Can you believe there were so many things in the big blue world? I'm gonna go explore in the big blue world that I've never seen before. So many creatures swimming round the sea in the big blue world, and all of them are waiting for me.
That's what I'm afraid.
Wow! Isn't it beautiful?
Nemo?
Come on down.
Oh, my fin. Oh, my fin.
Take a look around you. The ocean's alive. In the big blue world, it's time for you to
Let's
rise.
name the zones. Oh, let's name the zones of the open sea.
Mr. Red!
Lord explorers, who's this?
He's got a little fin. We call it his lucky fin. I thought if he gets tired, just give him a break. 10-15 minutes.
It'll be all right. Let's go, explorers! Hold on tight. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Really ready?
I don't think I'm ready.
We're ready to go.
My son! Please! Be safe!
First up, the drop-off.
The drop-off! No!
Hello.
Well, hi.
Name's Bruce.
I'm Dory, and this
You
is...
don't need to know. We were just leaving.
I'd like to invite you, monsters, to a little party I'm having.
What'd you bring for us, mate?
We're stabbing couple of tasty bugs. Right then, I'm eating a fish. Shall he come to order? Let us all say the pledge. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. Not food. Though we have long sharp teeth, we're not sharks underneath. We know that fish are friends, not food. Well, sometimes when I'm sure we could eat you hard, but we have self-control. We know that fish are friends, not food.
I'd like to be your friend.
The stress of life in the action lead to emotional eating. Well, when you need help getting through it, then camp just won't do it. Don't start feeding, swindle our meaning. Ah, yes, we've seen the light. Each time we fight the fight, together rip it up and change our attitude. Fish are friends. Fish are friends. No, fish are friends, not food.
Hey, look, balloons! It is a movie!
Mind your distance out. You wouldn't want one of them to pop.
We swim together!
Little clownfish, your Arctic get to breaking free.
Yeah! And if we all join this, everybody wins, and we'll swim together in the open sea.
So what's your name, kid?
Our escape plan was set. Too bad it didn't work. Now we just had to find another way. Remember, all trains lead to the ocean. And speaking of oceans, Nemo's dad was still out there trying to find him.
Yeah, but there was one big problem.
That mask is gone. That was the only chance I had of finding my son.
Harpo?
Nemo.
Hey.
He's not brave enough. He's afraid of whales and sharks and stuff. He's probably angry 'cause I was bad. I'm sure that he's not coming. Not my dad.
But his dad was. Marlin and Dory found themselves cruising with a giant sea turtle. And he was, as the kids say, totally awesome!
Dude, you have traveled far. You must be swimming under a lucky star. Yeah, but you're exactly where you're meant to be. So grab some shell and surf the AC with me. Go with the flow. Go with the Dude, Mr. Turtle's my father. Name's Crush.
Show him your 360, Squirt! Check this out! Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Oh my goodness! Kill the motor, dude. Why don't you take it slow? But let us see how Squirt does flying solo. Awesome. Their eggs on a beach, then cuckoo-ca-choo. They find their own way back to the big old blue.
I'm so sorry, Nemo. Hey, guess what? I met a sea turtle, and he was 150.
150? Wow. So tell me, Dad, what's it like to cross an entire sea?
Well, son, I don't know. Let's go home together, then you'll tell me.
Wanna make it 3?
So, Nemo and his dad were finally reunited.
And inspired by Nemo's big escape, we hitched our own ride out of the tank on the Plastic Bag Express.
And that's how we ended up here.
Yeah.
Oh, I just love a happy ending.
Right? What happened when we got back home to the reef?
Well, it's release day. What do you say we go find Nemo and see for ourselves?
Catch your waiter, folks. We got a date with the Big Blue.
In the big blue world, we're gonna go explore, explorers.
Time for school.
Now go and get some knowledge.
And come home when you're done. Don't worry, I'll be careful.
But remember to have fun.
Everybody find a buddy! Nemo, that means you.
Wait, there's something I forgot to do. Love you, Dad.
I love you too, son. Now go, have an adventure. In the big blue world, we're gonna go explore. In the big blue world, things we've never seen before. What's waiting out there? We can never know. In the big blue world, we're ready to go. In the big blue world. Nemo.
Bye, Dory. Bye, Dad.
Bye, son.